Wave on Wave. It's choreographed by Alan Birchall. It is a 32 count 2-wall beginner intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing a few rotations of the dance so that you know how it all flows so you can hopefully dance this classic on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wave on Wave. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right mambo forward, so we're going to take the ball of our right foot, we're going to rock it forward, recover back onto your left and step your right foot back. We're now going to do a back mambo with our left, taking the ball of our left foot, rocking it back, recover onto your right and step your left foot slightly forward. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left and cross your right over your left. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left to face 3 o'clock, and a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right to face 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on the left, you're doing your mambo step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to step forward with your left and tap your right toe behind your left. We're going to do a right lock step back, stepping our right foot back, cross our left over our right, step our right foot back. We're now going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right foot next to your left to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right, and you're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're doing your step tap. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do side rock crossing shuffle. So we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and as you recover, you want to slightly angle your hips to the right. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're now going to repeat that to the left, so we're going to rock our left foot to the left side, and as we recover onto our right, we want to angle our hips slightly to the right. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're rocking your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're going to quickly make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our left, and we're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, keeping our weight on our left foot. At this point, some people like to do a little kick forward as they turn, so their weight is all the way back on the left. You can either just pivot and keep that foot on the ground, or you can do that little kick forward if it helps you remember to keep your weight back on your left. From here, we're going to step back with our right, and we're going to take our left heel and hook it up to our right shin, making a figure 4 with your left knee. We're now going to do a lock step forward with our left, step our left foot forward, bring our right foot in and behind our left, step your left foot forward, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. We did our crossing shuffle, left is over right, we're stepping to the side. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So the important thing about the ending, because it's really the trickiest part of that dance, is when you make this quarter turn, you're stepping for a count and pivoting and sitting for a count. So you want to make sure that you take that time. So when we're doing it, you're 1, 2 and 3, 4. And on that 4, if you would like to kick, you can do that kick forward, and then 5, 6, 7 and 8. It will just help with the rhythm of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our mambo. Right mambo forward, left mambo back, side rock, cross, quarter back, half forward, step, tap, lock, step back, half shuffle, step, half pivot, side rock, crossing shuffle, side rock, crossing shuffle, side behind, quarter step, half, back, hook, lock, step, forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your mambo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 rotations of the dance. So 2 front walls, 2 back walls. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back walls, we'll use counts. Weight is starting on that left foot. You're starting with your mambo, right? Mambo, step left, mambo, back. Side rock, cross, quarter back, half forward. Step, tap, lock, step back. Half shuffle, step, half pivot. Side rock, crossing, shuffle. Side rock, crossing, shuffle. Side behind, quarter step, half, back, hook, lock, step, forward, mambo, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right mambo, left mambo, back. Side rock, cross, quarter back, half forward. Step, tap, lock, step back. Half shuffle, step, half pivot. Side rock, crossing, shuffle. Side rock, crossing, shuffle. Side behind, quarter step, half, back, hook, and your lock step, forward mambo, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. You would dance the rest of the dance all the way through exactly the same, not worrying about any tags or restarts. I hope this helps you learn wave on wave. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.